Form 4 AdMaths Past Years SPM 2013. Topic Coordinate Geometry. Diagram 13 shows a straight line AB. We go to the diagram and complete the diagram. Point A, coordinate 0, 4, I label as XA, YA. Point B, coordinate 2, 0, I label as XB, YB. Okay, and then the M is midpoint, labeled as XM, YM. As you see here, given that M is the midpoint AB, part A, find the coordinate of M, midpoint. So we start from what they asked, part A, find the coordinate M of the midpoint, XM, YM. X coordinate of midpoint is XA plus XB divided by 2, and Y coordinate of midpoint is YA plus YB divided by 2. I've written down the coordinate A here, 0, 4, XA, YA. Coordinate B, 2, 0, XB, YB. So therefore, XA plus XB, XA 0, XB 2. So that would be 0 plus 2 divided by 2. Therefore, X, coordinate X of point M is 1. And then YA plus YB, YA is 4, YB is 0. So that is 4 plus 0 divided by 2, which gives us the Y coordinate of M, 2. So our coordinate midpoint M is 1 and 2. First part. Second part, find the equation of the straight line perpendicular to AB passing through point M, midpoint. So part B, find equation of the straight line perpendicular to AB and passing through the point M. I have drawn back the entire diagram. So this is the line AB. Therefore, the straight line perpendicular to AB and through M would be the line here going through the point M and perpendicular. Now from the notes, if you want to find equation of a line, you need the gradient of the line and a point on the line. To find equation of a line, you need gradient of line and a point on the line. So here, to find equation of the perpendicular line through M, you need the gradient of the line and a point on the line. In this question, the point on the line that we are looking for is the midpoint, which we have already got, midpoint from part A, 1 and 2. So only left to find gradient of the line. And it was given that the line we are looking for is perpendicular to AB. So this line we are looking for perpendicular to AB. From the notes that we have already learned, when two lines are perpendicular, the gradient of one line is -1 over the gradient of the other line. In this question, so the line is perpendicular to AB, the gradient of the line equals -1 over the gradient of AB. So now we need to find the gradient of AB first. I've drawn back the graph, and if you notice that this line AB is in the form of the Y and X intercept. Okay, so if you look from our notes, if you are given a line in intercept form, whereby A is the x-intercept, B is the y-intercept. Therefore, the gradient of the line negative y-intercept B over x-intercept A. So we are going to use that. Here, the 2 is the A, x-intercept. The 4 is the B, y-intercept. Therefore, the gradient of AB must be negative the y-intercept 4 over x-intercept 2, which is negative 4 over 2. We are using the formula negative y-intercept over x-intercept. So now our gradient AB, negative 2. Don't forget, we need the gradient of the line, which is equals negative 1 over gradient of AB. And the gradient of AB was negative 2. Substitute negative and negative will give us positive. So the gradient of the line we are looking for is 1 over 2. Next, so now we have already established the gradient of the line and also the point on the line. Our next step would be use the formula for straight line. The formula for straight line is y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. Here, the x1 and y1, of course, is the x coordinate of midpoint, y coordinate of midpoint, which I have already written here for simplicity. So now, y copy back, minus ym, this is the ym, minus 2, so I got y minus 2, and the gradient of the line was 1 over 2, brackets x minus, the x coordinate of the midpoint was 1, so minus 1. The very first thing I do, that the y minus 2, I put brackets first because got two terms, and on the right hand side to divide, I bring to the left hand side times 2 times brackets y minus 2. On the right hand side, I'm left with x minus 1, I just copy back, and these two I multiply inside. 2 times y is 2y, 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. I have 2 minus 4 equals right hand side x minus 1. To get equation of line, you transfer everything on the right hand side to the left hand side so that we can get the standard form equals 0. So this would be 2y, I copy back, the plus x transfer to left hand side minus x, and then minus 1 transfer plus 1, negative 4 plus 1, I would get negative 3. So our answer is 2y minus x minus 3 equals 0. This is our answer. Thank you. I see you on the next lesson.